Have you ever felt sad for no reason? Or suddenly irritated at people you actually love? Or you wake up okay, but by afternoon, your mood is completely drained? What if I told you it's not your life? It's not your personality. It's a few tiny, silent habits. Habits so small you don't even notice them, but they quietly control how you feel every single day. And today, I want to show you exactly which habits are shaping your emotional world and how a few small changes can make you feel calmer, lighter, and more in control than you've felt in years. Stay with me till the end, because the last habit is the one almost everyone ignores, and it's the real emotional trap. Hi, everyone. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, emotional, or stuck, this video may be that missing puzzle piece. Let's talk about the habits that shape your emotions more than you think. Habit number 1, the habit of micro-stress. You know those tiny things you brush off. Quickly checking your phone the moment you wake up. Reading messages you're not ready to reply to. Rushing through your morning. Doing 10 things at once. These small moments create micro-stress. And micro-stress slowly turns into irritation, emotional burnout, low patience, and anxiety spikes. You think your emotions are unstable, but actually, your nervous system is overloaded by tiny stressors before your day even starts. Fix. Start your day with 90 seconds of stillness. No phone. Just breathe, stretch, or sit. This one habit resets your emotional baseline. Habit number 2, emotional isolation. Without realizing it, we often say, I don't want to bother anyone. I'll deal with it later. But every time you hold emotions inside, they don't disappear. They sit in your body. A tight chest. Overthinking. Sudden irritation. Silent sadness. All of this is unexpressed emotion. Fix. You don't need a deep conversation. You just need one honest moment a day. I feel tired today. I feel disconnected. I need a break. The moment you name your emotion, it loses power over you. Habit number 3, living on low-quality inputs. Whatever you consume becomes you. Negative social media, drama accounts, constant bad news, comparing your life with others. These things quietly change your emotional temperature. You feel not good enough and you don't even know why. Fix. Protect your emotional world like your physical space. Limit negativity, and your mood will start healing within days. Habit number 4, tiny self-betrayals. This one hurts the most because we all do it. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow. I'll sleep early tonight. I'll take a break later. I'll stop overthinking eventually. Your brain learns one thing. I can't trust myself. And when trust breaks, even with yourself, you start feeling emotional instability, guilt, and low self-worth. Fix. Do one small thing daily that proves I follow through. It can be as small as drinking 1 glass of water or walking 2 minutes. Consistency builds emotional confidence. Habit number 5, carrying yesterday into today. Most people wake up with yesterday's stress, overthinking, conversations, regrets, problems. And then they wonder why they feel heavy. You're not tired from today. You're tired from yesterday's emotional leftovers. Fix. Every night, ask yourself one question. What is one thing I want to leave behind today? Say it out loud or write it. Release it. Start fresh. Your emotions aren't weak. Your heart isn't broken. You're not too sensitive. You're simply living with habits that quietly shape your inner world. Change just one of these habits, and you'll feel the difference within days. Change all 5, and you'll barely recognize the new emotional strength you build. If this video helped you understand yourself a little better, hit like, remind yourself, I'm choosing growth. Subscribe if you want more videos on healing, self-worth, and emotional strength. And tell me in the comments, which habit hit your heart the most? Your answer might help someone else heal too.